Welcome back, my loves and my lovelies. Okay, so I've been seeing this challenge going around, the lettuce wrap challenge. The three sides, the three meats, two sauces, and three sides. So, of course, we had to give it a try. So, we got the lettuce down, and I guess I'll come back in a couple of ticks to start adding stuff. So I'm gonna do little clips because I got the kids running around everywhere. So I'm just gonna do little clips and put them together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Thumbs up this video. Share this video if you would like. Okay, guys, we got the meat on here. We needed more meat, but we got the, what was it, classic oven roasted turkey breast and Black Forest ham. So we got those on there. And now we're finna get ready to add the, I guess, cheese or lettuce, tomatoes and onions. So, give me a couple of ticks. Okay, guys. I went on and put some Miracle Whip on there. So, Miracle Whip is going to be one of the sauces. And this balsamic, I guess I'm saying it right. I like it. It tastes good. So, I'm using it for my second sauce. So, we adding a little season on this thing. A little slap your mama and a little pepper to go with that little Miracle Whip. So I guess I'm gonna go in with the cheese. Now I'm probably gonna do the tomatoes. So give me a couple of ticks. Like I said, if you have not liked the video already, please hit that thumb up button. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Alright, y'all. We got some light onions on that thing. And some tomatoes. So I guess now we're finna go in with the cheese. Well, I guess we're finna put this sauce on there. This balsamic. So that's the second sauce. I hope I had three sides. Okay, we got cheese, onions, and tomatoes. Paul had three meats. We're going to bust another meat out. Because there was Black Forest ham and the classic turkey. So, give me a couple of ticks, y'all. Let me figure out something else. Okay, y'all. I found something else to put on there. Grilled chicken breast strips. So, let's drizzle these on there. And I'll be back in a couple of ticks. Okay, y'all. We're getting the chicken drizzled on there. I don't have any bacon, y'all. All the kids and Miko's complaining about the bacon. But I cooked the whole thing of Wright's bacon. What was it? Saturday morning for breakfast. So, no bacon. So, I had to find something else. That chicken breast will do just fine. Don't it look good, child? It look good. Okay, so we're finna go ahead and put the cheese on there. And then we'll come back. Okay, guys. We got the cheese on here. We went with the mild cheddar and provolone cheese. And look how good it look, y'all. I've been waiting all week to do this challenge. Constantly putting it off. Well, not challenge, but I seen it posted, and it is a challenge, but I just want to eat it. It looks so good, y'all. So, we're finna try to get this thing rolled up. So give us a couple of ticks. I might come back and when we get halfway to try to show how we rolling it up. Okay, y'all. I could not record us while we was rolling it up. Because it literally took us and a child to help roll this thing up. I said it's like a whole joint. Y'all, thumbs up this video, y'all. Thumbs this video up. Look at this boy. It's like a joint. So, let's try to cut it up, y'all. Okay, y'all. We finally got it cut, and it took two of us to cut it, too. But it looks beautiful. Look at it, y'all. It looks beautiful. Aww. So, yes, y'all. We're finna get ready to eat. Look who get the first one. Flip. But look at that.
Now you gotta take that out.
It's mine.
I will not be watching this video.
You will watch it.
E3. It is my name.
Look.
It's mine.
Oh,
So I think we did good. Peaches, it look good?
Yes.
You gonna tell everybody, hey? The camera right here. We should have had more meat, y'all. But other than that, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
So we will see y'all in the next video. Thumbs up this video, y'all. Thumbs this video up.
Up and down. What's this?
I said this is something that we will be doing again as a family. Now you gotta beg the kids to be still, y'all.
This the one you should have took
What you mean took?
when you started the video. The EMP.
I'm still taking my video.
You just want to have video for Fridge? Because she might put that flip bar.
I guess this the one Miko's gonna get y'all.
Me.
They all look the same.
Me.
But anyway, thumbs up this video, y'all. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You got to learn. You all.
Hey, y'all. I had to come back for a little end clip. Everybody said that it tastes good. So, yes, we will be doing this again. Thumbs up this video, y'all. Peace out.